You alright, old man? You enjoy the beach this weekend with me? Yes. Pablo and I went to the beach this weekend. Didn't we, boy? Yes. And Max and Juno, yes. There was a few of you. This is why we call it an adventure. It's properly overgrown, properly wild. We're off the beaten track. It's amazing. Nearly, Max, come on. Good Ted, good boy. I hope I caught that on the camera. Max, up you go. Well, up the middle, up in the middle. Oh, good effort, good balance. Who's going up here? Who's going up here? Good lottie. No fuss, no fuss. Maloney, you coming up here? Come on, Maloney. Come on, buddy, up. Good boy. Yes, no more barking, thank you. Maloney, you coming up? Good Ted. Maloney, you coming up? Will we get Maloney in for a swim? I don't know if he knows this bit. Maloney! Come on, buddy. It's deeper than the legs, kid. Get your biscuit. Good boy. Do you want to go in, Ted? You like it here too. Here we go. Anything for food. Okay, you just wiggle. Let's go and find Maloney. We see you, buddy. We see you, Buster. Who have we bumped into? Who have we bumped into? Alright guys, well, that wraps us up for another walk. We've had... Sorry, I'm just trying to get eyes on all the dogs. I've lost 2 of them. Anyway, they will turn up, don't stress. We've had a good afternoon. It's been pretty good. We've not seen too many other people, which has been great. Kind of the idea of coming here. We have bumped into Blossom and Frodo, which has been the highlight of the afternoon, I think. And yeah, just one dog to go now, and I know she's up there. It's Lottie that's missing. She'll turn up. I'll show you. I'll show you. Thanks very much for watching, guys. Remember to interact with the video. Give us a little like, comment, subscribe, and share. We'll see you on the next walk. Take care. Hey, Poppet. Good girl. Good girl. Yes, you're a good boy too. You're a good boy as well, Ted.